Right, fish and chips finally, but not a sea view. Got some live music. We've come to the Land's End and they have an event on today. So we're at Land's End and we've currently got the sea view there.
It's very windy, as you can see.
We went to pay, I was confused because there's like fireworks and stuff on tonight and live music. So I was like, the payment's coming up is £8 parking, is that right? We only want fish and chips and to see the sign. And the woman was like, oh no, it's because it's more because there's an event on, blah, blah, blah. And then Viking was like, oh, if we, you know, had a few drinks here, would we be able to stay? She went, we'll ask our Colin. So this Colin guy come along.
Colin the Cockney.
And he's literally scanned us in. It's free, so we haven't even paid anything, and we'll actually get entertained tonight. We can stay here. We kind of got
nice
sea
fireworks,
view,
which you will see soon. I'm sure they'll be documented on this camera.
Might not.
Definitely will be.
And then live music. So a few drinks again, although I'm all drunk out, so Viking's forcing me to drink.
Am I?
We just had fish and chips and absolute stuff.
Goddess. Oh, down dresses in comfort still looks like an actual sexy bastard walking into that sunset. Wow, look at that sunset, look at that sunset.
Magic in the Skies, a celebration of Cornwall.
Woo! Seeing fireworks for years, you know.
Full moon. Let's see if me and Viking argue tonight because it's full moon.